Hello, this video is part 2 of factoring trinomials with a bigger than 1. In the problem on the right, we have that a, and I will be following this formula again. A is equal to 6, b is equal to positive 13, and c will be equal to positive 6. I'm going to start by placing a on the top left, so that means 6. C will be in the middle, also 6. And on the top right, I will be multiplying 8 times c, and that gives me 36. The next step is to find the factors of 36. Again, two numbers that when you multiply them, those two numbers, you multiply them, they give you 36. And the same two numbers will be adding to positive 13. 36. 1 times 36 gives you 36. That does not add up to 13. You also have a multiple of 2, a multiple of 3, and the one that works, it would be 4 times 9. 36. 9 plus 4 is 13. 4 and 9. Now I will be focusing on the left. We are looking for two numbers that multiply to 6. Of course, we can use 1 times 6. Let's see if that one works. If I were to divide 4 by 6, I would be getting 0.67. That's not a whole number. That means that 6 doesn't work for that specific section. If I were to do the same thing and divide 9 by 6, I would be getting 1.5. This tells me the 6 does not work for either the 4 or the 9. Is there another way to get 6? What if we multiply 2 times 3? Those are two different factors. Now, let's try number 2. Does 2 go into 4? So if I were to divide 4 by 2, I would get 2. That means, yes, 2 works for that specific number. So I will be putting 2 here, and I have to put 3 here. Let's double check just to see, make sure it works. 9 divided by 3 is 3. It does work. If neither of them work, then we would have to use a different technique to solve it. Coming back to this technique, we are looking for 2 times a number that gives you 4. 2 times 2 gives me 4. On the bottom, we're looking for a number that when you multiply times 3 gives you 3. 3 times 3 is equal to 9. And just to double check, 3 times 2 would be equal to 6. Let me add an x. The reason I add an x is because our variable is x. I will be putting an x here and an x here. And now we have to find the factors. This would give us one of the factors. The other factor would come from the 2x plus 3. So the one in orange would be 3x plus 2. The one in purple would be 2x plus 3. And those would be our factors for the problem on the right.